Hello, welcome to Crypto Street. I am Violet. Today is the 26th of June, 2022. This video we will talk about two pieces of news. Bitcoin getting heavily accumulated as number of 10,000 Bitcoin addresses. Soars, Glassnode analytics agency has reported that the number of Bitcoin addresses that hold 10,000 Bitcoins has spiked to 100. At press time, 10,000 Bitcoin is worth 213,313,000 in accordance with the current exchange rate of Bitcoin against the USD. As covered by U.Today earlier this week, Bitcoin miners have been selling their Bitcoin heavily as of late, striving to break even and pay for their loans and cover other expenses. At the same time, whales have been buying Bitcoin actively as wallets holding from 10 to 10,000 Bitcoins have surged in number in the past 2 weeks. As for addresses that contain 10,000 Bitcoins and more, their amount has increased since February this year. Dogecoin founder and Alex Kruger opine on reason of bullish crypto reverse. Billy Marcus, one of the two founders of the original meme coin Doge, has taken to Twitter to notice a growth of the cryptocurrency and stock markets, urging the community to suggest their reasons for that. He got a response from economist and trader Alex Kruger, who named the likely reason for this reverse. Clear reason, Fed pivot. Kruger has shared what he believes to be the cause of the current bullish reverse in the crypto and stock prices. The recent subtle, yet impressive change of the Fed's policy from hawkish to dovish. When Marcus asked him to elaborate, Kruger tagged his earlier tweets about that. On July 17th, Kruger tweeted about it, stating that the upcoming week would be good for risk assets, which include Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Back on that day, Chairman of the U.S. Fed Reserve Jerome Powell announced the new goal of the Fed to return to the 2% inflation level, reducing it from the present record high of 40 years. This came after the U.S. Central Bank first raised the key interest rate by 25 basis points in March, 50 basis points in May, and then recently by 75 points in June in an attempt to harness the rapidly rising inflation. Bitcoin at 7.63%, Ethereum gains 17.66%. Over the past 2 days, the two largest cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum, along with the majority of other coins on the crypto market, the flagship crypto Bitcoin has surged, adding 7.63% and is now trading at 21,398. The second largest crypto has gone up nearly 18%, rising from 148 to the 11,233 level as of this writing. However, Ethereum is changing hands at 1226. Crypto Ice Age. While prior to this rise many were talking about a new crypto winter that might last about 3 to 4 years, regular crypto critics have been predicting Bitcoin's further collapse to the 10,000 level and lower. Among them is gold bug Peter Schiff, founder of Schiff Gold Wealth Management Fund. Another famous Bitcoin opponent, expert trader and philosopher, author of Black Swan, Anti-Fragile and other books, Nassim Taleb, according to his recent tweet, believes that the term crypto winter cannot be applied to the near future of the digital assets market as it assumes a temporary seasonal state. What he suggests this should be replaced with in a crypto ice age. This is his long-term prediction for how deep crypto prices might fall. If you wanna step into cryptocurrency field, it is time to action. Check the following content. You will know how to mine Pi Network, a very potential blockchain project. And what is more, click the link below and register Lbank Exchange and start to earn. This is Crypto Street. See you next time.